Je, una wapendwa walio nje ya nchi na wangependa kukuzawadi kwa kukutumia hela? Pata hela mara moja kwenye simu yako kwa kuwashauri kutuma kupitia TapTap Send, ambapo watapata $20 wanapotuma zaidi ya $50 kwa mara ya kwanza kupitia TapTap Send wakitumia promo code Ndizi TV. Download TapTap Send kutoka Google Play au App Store. TapTap Send. Send more, spend less.
Ndizi TV. Ubwansu bw'omugusi.
Wairebe ya umancho muriweta sene Ndizi TV nechinga kichinde to kumera na sembeo itunyale kumanya anyage abireka watika ase omubasorero ireteria nedor kaske momana ni gongo kwarigania ende tunyale kumanya ayabireka watika chinse chiga ikomi ningo tarachikubwatira na nere Lydia Mose oyo kumanya waitira senchira yemanyero nere Petra Mokeira kweneki ngamale gine chibicha agoikire asenchira eyobukirano okonyore na bogo tubwatia waitira asenchira yemetanda asensemo ya Facebook otonyamuna Ndizi TV News Digital kwa YouTube na trebuna Ndizi TV News na boigo as a website yetu tonyore buna www.ndizitv.net. Abakenya ni goli tukurianira bagendete gochengera moyega omadaraka ase moyega omonene okorekana ase geti kia amasinde mulilo ikigotoka ase county ya Bungoma omorai bwense Dr. William Ruto niga mokonyo ye Rigathi Gachagua mowaziri omosomonene bwa waziri Musalia Mudavadi amo nabawaziri bande gati ya barai bekirana ase ensemeyo erigochengera rituko rya madaraka nerituko abakenya bagochengera emyaka 50 na yomo gesa enseito ya Kenya yabetege konyora obosibole aso mwaka 1963.
Nikiwa hapa ya kwamba ungekuwa na shida ya transformer vandalism. Kuanzia leo mtakuwa mnaona watu wa Kenya Power wakichomelea hizo transformers ndio kwamba hizo transformers ziweze kuibiwa tena ama kuwa vandalized. Sio mjambo mzuri. Na kwa hiyo tumekuwa na committees kwa every transformer iko karibu na wewe. Umekuwa na committee ambayo inachunga hiyo transformer. Na tunashukuru sana kwa wale walijitolea kwa hiyo jambo. Naomba wananchi wa hapa na kituko yote
Omachumurire imeye county ya Kisii nigo omoyego yo madaraka obako gochengerwa ase chinsemo cha Nyabururu ase abarai abaikirana ase ensemeyo abarai korwa ase ebunge ya Kitutu Chache South bakorawa nere omodidisi Danieli Mutisio amo naba MCA nigo bekirana asensemeyo asebono baba bawakira ekuko ingana yobo ibi which transformer yaberega ko kwekorokana go koleka asamatuka abwangoiga ase ensemo ya Kitutu Chache South asebono bagikeria ingane yo nakorigi chinchira baranyare gukora obuibi obo which transformer asebono bateba nigo barachikora chinkwano amo na kiombe ke omorero wechinguru chomorero kia Kenya Power eriko enekinga basibire chi transform echo asemete yo asenchira yoko sambireria korende tari ogosiba buna amatuko maiga asebabeire bagosiba korende abantu bacha nagosibora asibono batarire inerenchira yoka iranyare gokora oboibibwe chi transformer ase chinsemo echiga
Kutangaza nikiwa hapa ya kwamba kumekuwa na shida ya transformer vandalism. Kuanzia leo mtakuwa mnaona watu wa Kenya Power wakichomelea hizo transformers, ndio kwamba hizo transformers ziweze kuibiwa tena ama kuwa vandalized. Sio mjambo mzuri. Na kwa hiyo tumekuwa na committees kwa every transformer iko karibu na wewe. Tumekuwa na committee ambayo inachunga hiyo transformer. Na tunashukuru sana kwa wale walijitolea kwa hiyo jambo. Naomba wananchi wa hapa na kituko yote, hizo transformer zetu, usalama unaanza na wewe. Make sure transformer iko karibu na wewe, iko sawa. Ukiona stima imepotea kidogo, wewe enda hapo kidogo uangalie kama transformer iko. Kama iko, weka alarm, sisi tutaweza kukuja na tufanye mambo mawili matatu, na hao walipo tutajua ni jinsi ya kuwanyorosha.
Tokogendera na gochingira omuyego y'omadarakani gomurai bwense abwatukire abasaye chiribu ibere nechimisano abo barachikorokereria abarimi bande igoro yo gukora amangana y'oburemi bw'ebiashara obo boigo bomanyekaine na agripreneurs gosekirimo biashara asebono barachikwenekinga baikire chi county chonsi emerongo eneisano naibere asibarachikwenekinga babwatranire amona baremi nebwe chi county echo na boigo kweneki babwatranire nabo bisabo boremi ase chi county chonsi erikwenekinga baremi bamanyire gosebaigwa amasomo ayu yoboremi bw'asara erikwegendereria ase aboboremi bwabo ase serikali bono yatenigera chikogendera gosira abasaya bwana boigo kwenekibuna ababaire ebintu biri byonsi biganeiri erikwendereria oboremi ase enseto ya Kenya asomora yebwense atebire na nigo oboremi wabaire boko osira enseto ya Kenya asanene asokwenekinga ndagira terikobora ase enseto ya Kenya
ambao hawako pamoja na sisi na leo wamefika hapa ili tuwape kibali rasmi ya kuungana na extension officers katika kaunti zetu kuwafundisha wakulima vile kilimo itabadilishwa iwe ni biashara na iweke pesa kwa mifuko ya wakulima wa taifa letu la Kenya. Mimi nawauliza wakulima wote, sasa mko na jeshi kubwa hapa ya vijana ambao watawafundisha agripreneurship, kufanya kilimo ambayo itaweka pesa katika kilimo na katika mifuko ya wakulima wetu. Na kwa sababu sherehe hii ya muhimu, kiini ya sherehe hii ni kilimo, mumesikia vizuri hapa haya mambo. Kwa hivyo, to all these great young people, the agripreneurs who will lead the charge, who will take the front line in mobilizing our farmers into agripreneurs, making sure that farming puts money in the pockets of our farmers and puts resources in our economy as they supply us with food security in Kenya. I am very proud to commission the 18,000 agripreneurs in the Republic of Kenya, and congratulations on successfully completing your training.
Wizara y'uburimi nigobono iragendera gusirwa ne serikali enene ase yamaiga ya serikali gochakia umurobiri obokorwa amasomo gocha ase abalemi biashara ase bono abalemi bagwetani chiribu 13 bagendete konyora amasomo ase chi county ime yense abono barachi boigo korwa amasomo gose barachi gosemya abalemi bande ase chi county echo mokorengana no waziri w'uburimi Mithika Nturi litukoria rero chinga kibarenge asomo yega bogo chengera litukoria madaraka asigeti kya musindo muliro imeye county ya Bungoma nigo atebabna nigo serikali yerure kweneke ngankorera masomo aliaga neiri gochia aso abaremi likweneke ngabaremi bamanyire na kibarage barayigendererie ase oburemi bwabona konyora chibesa gwetera ase oburemi bwabona bayigo chinga kecho niga abairaniria buya abo bisa oburemi ase chi county chonsi 40 na esano na ibere asibona teba ne ase mirime yababeire bagokora asogosira nakorwa amasomo goche ase abasayabo babeire bakwebundisa amasomo igoro y'uburimi bw'ebyasara ase chi county chonsi asibona ateba nigobone serikali rachikogendera gosira abasayabo.
Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, both the national and county governments acknowledge the critical role played by agricultural extension and advisory services in the provision of knowledge and skills to farmers. The key challenges towards extension management and service delivery include development of private sector operated extension services that complements the public extension services as well as the commercialization of the latter without compromising public interest. In addition, sir, the agripreneur model has been formulated and successfully piloted for the last 5 years and shown to effectively complement the public extension while commercializing the same without compromising public interest. The Ministry of Agriculture and Livestock Development, in collaboration with county governments, with support from the World Bank, is supporting the upscaling of the agripreneur model across the 47 counties. The agripreneur program, when fully implemented, will create a strong network of about 18,000 youths that will complement and revitalize existing public extension service. Today, Your Excellency, sir, I therefore have the pleasure to present a representative group of 2,500 youths from the 47 counties for official unveiling, Your Excellency, sir, and thereafter request.
Omokonye bomorai bwense Rigathi Gachagua nigobona tebrimna ni garachi kogendera kubwatisia omorai bwense ase mirimo yaye yoborai asa tebrimna ni gerebuya babwaterane achinga kichiga bale ase oborai kakwana yo chinga kibalenge gochingera omoyiga omadaraka ase county ya Bungoma nigo atebamna ase serikali ya Kenya Kwanza omorai bwense nere obwate amaroro ya serikali eyo naboyiga ayenseto ya Kenya asibonsi babwate kirenga kyogosira na gokonya abakenya.
Measures are underway to boost coffee productivity from 2 kilograms to 10 kilograms per tree and from 50,000 metric tons to 102 metric tons a year by 2027. Under the coffee sector reform that we initiated, a 4 billion coffee cherry fund was established, 2 billion of which has been paid with a balance allocated for payment in the 2024-2025 financial year. This will ensure farmers get good returns for their investments. We are also writing off Kenya shillings 6.7 billion debt owed by coffee cooperatives around Kenya. And specifically, in this write-off, Bungoma County, the cooperatives in Bungoma County, 300 million shillings will be written off for cooperatives in Bungoma County. In the edible oils value chain, the government's plan involves boosting the production of sunflower, palm oil, and canola by working with counties. In 2023, 70 tons of sunflower seeds were purchased with 40 tons distributed to farmers. Another 40 tons of seed have been allocated to the Agricultural Development Corporation for seed multiplication. Additionally, the government through the Agriculture and Food Authority has produced and distributed 500 metric tons of seeds worth 241 million to farmers in 24 counties, including those.
Kumwanjumure nigo tugusaba okwabiraso kubukana kwa mariogi ayare arurembe na mariogi y'omurayi wense. Dr. William Samuel Ruto asalengo kwanera igoro yogosira abaleme anene abaleme beke mariye kawa asebono abwatukire chibesa 6.7 million billion chibono chirachikwenda ase ekemeri kike kawa asate nanigo barachikone kinga bagendere gosira ekemeri kyo asikiri amatuka maiga nigo bone ekemeri kyo kyabage kwerindore na gutigara maiga asebono babwate kirenga gyo kwene kinga bagesukiri moto nabo igo basirire abaleme boikira no Togo tigana na yona goska motwe ase no mogano obo gose asomokonye bo morayi bwense Gashawa asibona tena nigo arachikogenda kubwatisia omorayi bwense ase merimo eri babekiretwe ase obisi asatena nigo barachikubwatirana kwene kinga bakonyere abakenya ase amagenderero naboigo ase serikali ya Kenya Kwanza Gashawa ni gateba mna Ruto nere wate amagende nere wate amaroro ya serikali eyo ya Kenya Kwanza naboigo yenseto ya Kenya asebono barachi kwene kinga bairire enseto ya Kenya motwe naboigo kwene kinga baikiranirie amagenderero oche ase abakenya ase chinsemo chonsi imeyenseto.
Because my role in this great county of Bungoma in the heart of Mlembe nation is to usher you to talk to the people of Kenya. But let me say, Your Excellency, you are the vision carrier of our administration. And those of us you have given the privilege to serve under you remain committed and focused to assist you in the transformation of our great republic so that the people of Kenya have better lives and the improvement of our economic fortunes.
Omugavana we county ya Bungoma Kenny Lusaka nigobono amoiranire wiya omurayi wense asoko gendera gosira amagendero ase chi county asekiriate na chi county nigo chagendere gokora buya ase emyaka yeiga asekeri nigobono chekiri amagendero ase chinsemo chonsi imeyense asatevna okogosira kwa omurayi wense abeire ko kago basira buya nengenche yemo yokwene kinga amagendero nagendere koika ase ebinyoreme Kakwana chingaki alegania ogose arenge ase emojega omadaraka asarenge nere orenge kwalegania abageni nigo Lusaka ate ababona amenta boigo gotebabuna nigo embura egenda togotwa mono ase nseto ya Kenya asebono aboriria omurai bwense kogenda koligereria enganeyo nakibagara agendere kubika emirobero yokweneke buna ngokora bale omochando bwonchoria kwerire anena asokweneke buna ambali gochi konyora wakwa konde gogoseria abantu abo baba goseria amagima bo kubatikana no mochando bwetoigo oyo bago koba asama tukamake aitre.
Your Excellency, devolution is at the heart of the new constitution and a key vehicle for addressing historical disparities which have long led to conflicts. Our system of devolution combines a measure of autonomy and interdependence leading to a cooperative system between the two levels of government. This requires that both embrace a system of consultation, negotiation, and consensus building in the run-up of state affairs. Mr. President, on behalf of the devolved units, I want to thank you and commend you for your continued support for devolution and especially devolving these national celebrations to counties, for this strengthens your presidential resolve to support counties and the devolution agenda in your national endeavors. It is therefore a great honor for us as counties and as the people of Bungoma that you have chosen to share this national celebration with us. It would be remiss of me not to pass the gratitude of the people of Bungoma. Mr. President, all the major roads in Bungoma town and its environments are well lit, hence promoting a 24-hour economy in our town. Our airstrip, Your Excellency, the current weather pattern in Kenya is worrying. We must begin to think of timely interventions that will address the challenges of crop failure in order to ensure our people have options. As the chair of the Agriculture Committee, I look forward to the support and partnership of your government in this endeavor to accelerate this development. Before I wind up,
Mwancho muriria igano ngoikera omwedi obwa mangana maya asinchira yo bwengekenda kurigeta sene Ndizi TV iri gweseme obwe manyana boigo kwegokya iri tarane Dorcas Kimuma anigo tobwatera nere lide mose oyoro kumanya gwetera asinchira ye manyerio nere Petra Mukaira oyene kingama rigene chibicha awikire asinchira yo bwekera no twara oborigerio bya Ndizi TV nabo bwansu bomoguse.